In today's class, we will understand reaction of halogen alkanes. Okay, in reaction of halogen alkanes, we will understand the 4 different things in the reaction of halogen alkane from where question is asked. Okay, now what is the reagent with which halogen alkane will react? What will be the condition? What is the product? And what is the type of the reaction? Now, when halogen alkane is reacted with aqueous NaOH, what is the condition needed? Only warming is needed. So when warming is done with aqueous NaOH, halogen alkane, the product will be alcohol. And this type of reaction is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay. So here I have shown the reaction also when bromoethane reacts with aqueous NaOH or aqueous KOH. Here the OH is the nucleophile which will substitute the place of the Br. OH will come here and Br minus ion is out. So this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay. Now why I have represented in a table form? Because in your exam the question will be asked either from reagent or from condition or from product or from the type of the reaction. So if we know these 4 things, easily we can answer the question. Now the second type of reaction the halogen alkane undergo is again a nucleophilic substitution reaction, and it is done with KCN in ethanol. Okay, KCN in ethanol. The condition for this is heat under reflex. Okay, whenever halogen alkane reacts with KCN, it must be present in ethanol and it must be heated under reflex. The product is nitrile. The product is nitrile. Where what happened? Okay, the bromoethane when reacts with Cn minus, here Cn minus is a nucleophile, it will take the place of bromine and the product is propane nitrile. Here it is very important to understand that the product will have 1 carbon more than the reactant. So here the carbon number increases in the chain. Again, it is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. The third type of nucleophilic substitution reaction which halogen alkane undergo is with ammonia. In ethanol. Again, there is ammonia. It should be in ethanol. And here the one more thing we have to take in account that the ammonia must present in excess. Okay, ammonia must present in excess. The condition is we have to heat it in a sealed tube. This reaction should take place in a sealed tube and heat must be present there. The product is amine, and the reaction you see when bromoethane reacts with ammonia, what is formed? Ethanamine is formed, and the product, another product is NH4Br, which is the inorganic product formed during this reaction. So sometime the question is asked, what is the inorganic product formed when ammonia reacts with any halogen alkane? So the product is ammonium bromide. Okay, so these are the 3 types of nucleophilic substitution reaction that halogen alkane undergo. Now 4th reaction which halogen alkane undergo is not nucleophilic substitution reaction, it is elimination reaction. So in elimination reaction, what we have to understand, elimination reaction is that reaction when the product has unsaturation in it. One of the product will be unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, so you see this, when halogen alkane reacts with alcoholic KOH in presence of heat, the product is alkene and the reaction is elimination reaction. Okay, now you see this 4th reaction and 1st reaction. These 2 reaction is very important. These 2 reaction is very important. We can compare these reaction because you see when halogen alkane reacts with aqueous NaOH, the product is alcohol. But when halogen alkane reacts with alcoholic KOH, the product is alkene. So this is very important because they ask a question, if only we are changing the reagent. You see that only we are changing the reagent. Here it is aqueous NaOH, here it is alcoholic NaOH. Heat is there and everything is there, but the product is totally different because the type of the reaction is different. Okay, so this table is a summary of all different reaction which halogen alkane undergo.